Saturday. This morning, it's chilly outside. We do have wake-up temperatures starting off into the 30s. We're trending almost 15 to 20 degrees cooler in comparison to where we were at this time yesterday. And you can thank high pressure for this. We do have mostly clear skies, a nice kind of cooler flow that is pushing in from the north. Cloud cover will become a little bit more hit or miss as we head throughout the rest of the afternoon. We'll slowly start to see this high pressure system shift off to our east, and this is going to continue to bring in some of that warmer air, which will allow our temperatures to warm up. Now, again, this is a high resolution model. It's showing the potential for rain showers arriving late Saturday night and into the early hours of your Sunday. In fact, we could see some solid precipitation from this system. Some areas do have the potential of getting close to near an inch of much needed beautiful rain pushing. Too bad, that's for sure, at least for Valentine's Day at this moment, which is some great news. We do have wake up temperatures into the 30s this morning, trending almost 20 to 25 degrees colder in comparison to where we were at this time yesterday. Clear skies to start off the day. A few more clouds will increase as we head throughout the rest of the afternoon. We kind of have this northerly flow in place based off of where this area of high pressure is at. Now, this area of high pressure is going to slowly start to shift off to the east, inevitably drawing in some warmer air across our region, allowing our temperatures to warm on up. As we put our futurecast into motion, you can see our next system that's knocking on our door as we go into the weekend. In fact, most of your Valentine's Day on Saturday, wonderful news, is trending drier, but late Saturday night and into your Sunday, we're going to start to see some more rain move into the region, and some areas here locally have the chance to see some solid precipitation. Not much again going throughout the day today. By the end of this weekend, we could have some areas seeing close to near an inch of rain possible across. What we can expect as we head throughout the next couple of days. We're forecasting temperatures today into the lower 50s, so a little bit on the cooler side. Highs closer to average, which is actually 52 degrees. We'll get back into the middle 50s as we head into your Friday, upper 50s going into your weekend for your Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day not shaping up to be as wet as what models were once originally showing, which is great news. This morning, it's a little bit on the chilly side as we do have wake-up temperatures almost 15 to 20 degrees colder in comparison to this time yesterday. So jackets going to be needed as you head out the door. Clear skies to start off the day. Cloud cover will continue to increase. We are going to watch this area of high pressure slowly shift off to the east, which is going to allow for some warmer air to move into the region by the end of the week and into the weekend ahead of our next opportunity for some rain, which looks to be a bigger part of the forecast Saturday night. And as I mentioned, going into your Sunday, not a whole lot of rain arriving within the next couple of days. Most of this precipitation is going to be pushing into the area Saturday night and into your Sunday. We'll continue to have much more as we highlight your extended forecast in your weather headlines coming up in just a few. Yeah, it's chilly outside. Wake up temperatures starting off anywhere between 15 to 20 degrees colder in comparison to where we were at just 24 hours ago. We're quiet at this moment. Cloud cover is going to be pushing its way into the region. You can see that area of high pressure just to our north. That area of high pressure is going to be sliding off to the east, and inevitably it's going to be drawing in some warmer air as we go into the weekend. So temperatures will continue to warm up a little bit into the weekend ahead of our next chance for some rain, which does look like it is going to be pushing into the area Saturday night and as we go into your Sunday. So we do have some wetter conditions still considering. As I mentioned before, we have drought-like conditions in place, and so drier, more seasonable conditions both today and tomorrow. Rain showers start to ramp up as we head into your Saturday night and into your Sunday. We'll break down your futurecast and highlight these rain showers coming up. We have wake-up temperatures this morning into the 30s. Most areas here across East Tennessee starting off anywhere between 20 to 25 degrees colder in comparison to this time yesterday. Cloud cover is going to slowly start to increase as the day moves forward. We'll watch this area of high pressure start to shift off to move into the region as we go into the weekend, hence the reason why temperatures are going to be warming up just a little bit. Our next system is going to be knocking on our door as we go into your Saturday. As of right now, looks to be more so Saturday night and as we head into your Sunday. So Sunday could be a little bit of a soggier day, really starting early Sunday morning and going into your Sunday afternoon. But this is much needed beneficial rain. I hate to say it, but we actually need some of this moisture. By the end of the week, some areas could potentially see close to a half of an inch to an inch of rain. And we'll talk a little bit more We're showing Once Upon a Time, which is wonderful news for maybe some dates that you might have planned. We're starting off into the 20s and 30s this morning. It is cold outside, but as I said before, what makes it seem even more miserable is just the temperature change as to how much colder we are. We're almost 20 to 25 degrees colder here across East Tennessee. Mostly clear skies right now. Cloud cover will continue to increase. High pressure is going to be sliding off to the east. It's going to help to draw in some warmer air. Our next chance for rain is going to be knocking on our door as we go into your Saturday night and as we head into your Sunday. So again, most of your Saturday, folks, if you're planning some fun Valentine's Day date plans or maybe even into the evening hours,